guys, welcome back. This is Palaksha here, and today I'm going to be telling you some ideas to do in quarantine. As we all know that quarantine is mostly not very interesting. Everyone knows. So I'm going to share some ideas with you, and let's see. You can even try them at home. Okay, so my first idea is this toy. I made this toy a while ago. I made it from a cup. I've painted the cup red and inside it's yellow. And I've attached this ball using the string. And it's really useful for me. I play this all the time. And even play it with like this. I missed it. I always miss it. Why am I missing it? I got it. I got it. Yay. Okay. Now, guess what I have in my hand? I have these darts. The next idea I have to play darts. I have magnetic darts. You can play any darts if you want. Let me try. I'm not very good in it. Nothing! And it fell. I'm really bad at darting, but I will like it. Okay, finally I got 20 points at least. So this is my idea number 2. Idea number 3 I have, you can learn something. Now I'm not saying to learn mathematics, factors, practicals, etc. You can learn anything creative or something. I had posted a video you can do that. I'm gonna post a new video maybe next month. So you can do something like that, like best out of waste, yes. You can even learn gymnastics. I learned gymnastics. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something. I started doing cartwheel. And look, I did it. At the end you can barely see me, but I can do it. Yay. So you can even make this beautiful vase. I've told you how to make this vase in my previous video. The link will be in the description. So please try to make it. Okay, guys, you can start drawing. If you haven't drawn since a while, you can start drawing. I've made some drawings. I've made this scenery. It's not very good though. I have made this. It's not like that. It's like this. So I made this. And my next is this one. This I really love. And my last idea of drawing is this one. This is my favorite. This one. No one will believe that I have drawn it, but I don't care. So, you can start drawing. Yes, that's an idea. To learn these drawings, I'm going to be making these in the next video maybe. So, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon or else you won't get the notification when I posted the video. Bye!